Why hello there. Today we look at the premier Christopher Ward C65 Super Compressor Elite. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. All super compressor watches are dive watches, but there's exactly one diver that actually is a super compressor watch. And it is Christopher Ward's C65 of all brands in the industry. There's plenty of super compressor style watches, mimicking the looks but not the mechanism. If you want the real thing, here's the real thing. A super compressor case uses the external pressure of water to increase water resistance of the watch. Up to a point, of course. Go deep enough and the crystal will shatter eventually, but no worries, your body would get squished even before that. Super compressor cases were popular in the heyday of mechanical watches, before most of us were even born. But then the technology became forgotten. Christopher Ward has reverse engineered it to deliver something deeply authentic. Was it necessary? Hell no. No sane person will dive deep without a dive computer on their wrist. But then again, a mechanical watch is not necessary either, as you watch this video on a smartphone, providing you an exact time based on the GPS satellites. However, we are all in dire need of something genuine. Something true, durable, and available without subscription. Something fun too. And here Christopher Ward delivers all the expectations, plus it actually tells the time, even under the water. At the end of the day, it is our soul that longs for a piece of solid mechanical engineering. Ironic, isn't it? All right, enough with the nostalgia. Truly appreciate if you have lasted that long and hope to see you in the next one.